Hello, Roxy fans. Today is celebration day for our favorite ultimate love couple, Rosie and Kachi. Love is patient, and therein we find peace. Kachi celebrates 1 month of engagement with Rosie. Ultimate Love co-winner Kachi took to his micro-blogging platform on Instagram to reveal to his fans that today marks 1 month of engagement to his partner Rosie. Recall Kachi and Rosie were former housemates at the just concluded Ultimate Love show, in which they were crowned winners. After being announced winners, Kachi went on his knees to propose to Rosie, who was filled with joy and excitement. Since the end of the show, they have been keeping their love life burning as we await the date for their wedding. However, Kachi took to his Instagram page today, April 29, 2020, and wrote, "Today marks a month since as official Rosie and I got engaged. It will go down as one of the most memorable days of our life, as we have promised eternity together as couple. I love you more than words can say, and I will never trade you for anything. My life and my forever rib. 1 month engagement anniversary." Wow, guys, if you're a true Roxy fan, go to their Instagram pages and wish them well, or drop wishes in the comment section below. Okay, guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drop.